How to convert Docx file to TXT file. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can convert Docx file to TXT file. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your Docx file. For that, you can go to the Word in your device. So here I'll just open up a Word and then select your Docx file that you want to convert it into TXT. Once you have opened up your file, navigate to File option from the top left corner, and from these options, click on Save As. Select the location where you want to save your TXT file. Once you see this kind of interface, now you can name your file. I will just add text at the end of the file. Click on the Save As Type drop-down. From here, select the Plain Text option. Once you're done with that, click on Save. Here you have various options that you can choose from. So according to your preference, you can choose one from here, then click on OK. Now your Docx file is converted to text. You can close it, and if you see on your desktop, you will find your text file saved here. As you can see here, that's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.